Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 11th of January, 2023. We're going to talk about Coinbase today because this particular market on yesterday did a phenomenal move higher. You guys can see it closed up 13% yesterday. And I know many people like to connect price action with the news, and I could tell you that that's going to be further from the truth. Coinbase was due for a pretty good move higher because we've been trending down ever since. Man, this market has been trending down ever since this was initially offered on the stock exchange. We've been going lower and lower and lower, and now the market needs to try to induce more people to come in and buy. That is why the market went up 13%, not because of this. This is not the big news as to why Coinbase went up 13% in one day. Now, I know a lot of people tried to connect it and say, man, Coinbase is laying off 20% of the workforce. Why would the stock go up 13%? That's a negative. That's negative news, correct? That's what I'm trying to get you all to understand. We cannot tell what people will perceive as positive news or even negative news, because someone saw this as negative and they sold the market in Coinbase because they saw that as negative. But why in the world would the overall market in Coinbase close up 13% then? Exactly, because the news is irrelevant. It's pointless. We cannot determine where price is going to go off of news. Even though social media tries to, even though mainstream media tries to, CNBC, a lot of opinionated people try to give you all to think that this is the reason why price moves. And it couldn't be further from the truth. Price in Coinbase would have moved regardless of if this information came out or not. It's a market. It's a business. This is where people come and try to make money. That is why the market is moving. Now, you guys can see that I did a price prediction in Coinbase going all the way back on the 22nd of November right here. So I'm not even surprised to see the market in Coinbase go down. Now, the bad part is when I created this video, I just told you anywhere in the green would have to be TP because we were trading around all-time lows. I was anticipating that Coinbase was going to be making all-time lows, and it did just that. So congratulations to those who was able to profit the market in Coinbase right here at no lower than the 28th of December. So let's go ahead and see what that would be. So that's around 23% move to the downside since I did the video. And they try to tell you that you can't do this. Yes, you can. So now we need to talk about the market in Coinbase real quick, because now we got ideas to where the bottom is now. So we're going to lower this area around $32. It's the newest area of support now in Coinbase. Okay, so let's go ahead and create that. That's the first thing we're going to do, because this is the current bottom. So anytime we see price in Coinbase come all the way down to $31.75, we need to see the buyers step in. Now, step in simply means they need to start buying. Okay, now, do you think the market in Coinbase is still in a downtrend? Let's just take a look visually. This is where the market was trending all the way back in October. It was going down. Now you guys can see that we are actually breaking out of this downtrend line. So that's another positive sign to tell us that, at least for the moment, they stopped pumping the brakes, moving the price down. Okay, so if that's the case, then possibly the market in Coinbase is within a trading channel. Like the market may create a consolidational trading range, right? Let's see. So let's go ahead and look at this on the 2-day chart, because we need to determine if we're going to look for Coinbase to continue to go higher. We need to determine how high. Okay, so now check this out. This is the 2-day price chart. So every price bar that you see is 2 days worth of price action. And I want you all to notice how the market in Coinbase right here, let me zoom in so you all can see, it came and grabbed support there. Okay, it did it there. Now I want you all to see it here, that the market in Coinbase also held this area as support. Now we're trading below that area now, right? But if you take a look at the spread of the bar, what do you think is the chance of us seeing price break up above $44? Because this is a very healthy price bar right there. We saw the market start at $35.25, close up there at $43.25 in the last 2 days. And not only that, the market closed all the way at the very high of the bar. That tells me that the market is going to try to break this once acting as support, now resistance area, $44.25 to the upside. Okay, so if we're going to look forward to do that, where would be the next area then? Would you say it's around 50? $49, $50? That would have to be the next logical area that we need to anticipate the market in Coinbase trying to go, right? Look at this on the 3-day chart. Like, this is even better. This is telling me that the market in Coinbase is kind of getting tired of going down, and now they're going to try to lift this market higher. The only way that this won't go up in Coinbase is if we see the next bar, the next 2-day, the next 3-day price bar do this, go straight right back down. That's the only way that the market won't go up. So is there still a chance that that can happen? Of course. You know, there's always probabilities to price action and where price is going to go. Okay, so just keep that in mind, that even though we are noticing that the strength in the market in Coinbase is being seen on 2-day chart, even on a 3-day, we need to be a little bit more cautious still though, because this downtrend in Coinbase is massively strong. It's going to take a lot of strength, a lot of trading days that we're seeing strength into the market to break this massive downtrend. Okay, so that is why this is not like a, hey, put it all in on the house, let's go ahead and go all in. That's not that moment. But what I'm looking at is taking a look at Coinbase continue to go higher. Okay, so you guys can just see now that the pre-market open and we're at $41.88. So we're even noticing how sellers are now coming back into the market in Coinbase. They saw that 13% move yesterday and it's like, man, let me take this bag, because this is not one of those opportunities where you just sit and hold for the next 60,000 years. So let me go ahead and show you all that I am going to play some strength into the market though. I am going to anticipate that the price in Coinbase is going to continue to go up. Now, this will have to be maintained. Okay, now I want us, like, let's say the market in Coinbase is getting weak. I don't want to see the market break no lower than $37 and like 50 cents or so. I don't want to see that, because it will tell me that the buyers are no longer interested in looking to move the market up in Coinbase. Okay, we already know that we're hitting resistance now. Okay, so if we do see price go down initially, that's the reason. It's not because of the news. It's because people saw the market run up quick. It's up there around $44 now. Now they want to profit. Okay, but my first price target, let's go ahead and do it around $47.50. Okay, you guys can see that's 9.5%. My second one is going to be up there around $49.35. Okay, so those are my two price targets there, and we're going to simply follow the market here. Okay, that's it. So I really want to see the market buyers come in here though. I don't want to see the price really fall below 40, but I gave us a little cushion just in case that do happen. All right, so I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Join the team, tap that bell notification as well to get a heads up as to what we're predicting in terms of price action in the market. I do suspect that there's a little bit more gas in the tank for Coinbase, especially on the 2-day, the 3-day, even on the 5-day time frame. All right, so give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.